Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create the action figure you see here on ChatGPT with the Leo Messi. This is a really huge trend right now using ChatGPT images, and in this quick tutorial I just want to show you how you can actually create one for free using ChatGPT, and you can create whatever action figure you want and even for yourself. So as you can see, this is one example that I just created using Leo Messi with the Barcelona shirt, and even the background and the letters. You can actually choose what you want to create, and it's really simple. So basically you just have to come to ChatGPT. We can use this one here, Chat 4.0, or whatever you want to use, but basically you just have to use a prompt that I'll show you in a second. It will be right down the description. And as you can see, I created a bunch of them, like Iniesta, Xavi, Neymar. Even sometimes the image is not super great, so it's always good to actually attach an image, and as you can see, actually improved the image on the action figure. But yeah, I just created like a bunch of examples here that you can see. Even Valkymer, sometimes as you can see there is like little errors, but you can actually talk to the images after it's created, and you can just ask to remove these, add a different item on the package, so you can actually talk to it and just change wherever you want. Okay, so I'll just go down here, and basically the prompt that I will use is just that I can use something like create an image, a photorealistic image. Again, this prompt will be down below. Photorealistic image of the image attached, because I want to use an image for myself. Okay, and let's just choose an image. Let's see what we have here. So I can choose this one, for example. It's just for him to recognize, to be more accurate on the image that he creates. But yeah, just create a photorealistic image of the image attached as an action figure. An action figure package vertical in a premium collectible blister pack, which is kind of like the key here is a blister pack style view from the front. The figure stands on the left in of course now it's like this was the Iniesta one that I used with the Spain soccer jersey, but I can just even stand on the left. I can just even put like this, and he will create. I can put like in a sweatshirt or whatever I want, like in a bathing suit or something, but I just left like this. On the right, 3 accessories are neatly arranged in separate model compartments, and then you can choose the items that you want in here. Okay, so in this case I can just delete it, and I can just say, I don't know, let's see, three items, for example, I don't know, like a guitar, a computer, and I don't know, let's say a dog. Okay, whatever you want. Normally it's like 3 accessories. You can have 4 or 2, but the more you add, the more clutter will be, so just keep that in mind. The matte cardboard backing features a soccer pitch in this case, but you can change to features coffee shop, for example. And the title says, I'll just put my name on it, Rui, in the trial font with, I can just say the Spain colors at the top. You can change the colors of the letters you want. The plastic blister pack is a glossy with light reflection, and the image is illuminated with soft lighting that enhance the coffee shop atmosphere. High resolution, hyper detail, cinematic production photography. Okay, so let's create this image here, and I'll just run it, and let's see how it goes. Sometimes, just for you to know it takes a little bit of time to create the image from ChatGPT, which is totally normal. But let's just wait a little bit and see what he creates. Okay, so now he's creating the image. Again, I'll just pause really quickly the video so you can see the final result of the image. So as you can see, guys, here is the image already created. Again, a couple of things that we probably need to edit. As you guys can see, there was 2 dogs. I just asked for 1, but pretty much, everything else is pretty much really cool. All the package, it actually matched the shirt that I have on the photo, which is even the pattern, which is really cool. Again, there's some details that we may need to change, but as you can see, it can create anything in like a blister package, like an action figure. So I think you understand the point of this type of style. And as I said, now you don't need to just stay like this and no, I don't like this. You can actually ask ChatGPT to change that. So I can say, I just want 1 dog on the image, and I can even just say also change the name Rui to Philippe, for example. Whatever you want, you can change, and you can ask ChatGPT to make those changes. I can even change the background or even the shirt color. So don't just settle for the first images that come out. You can just continue talking to ChatGPT until you really like it. Again, you can go even deeper to change the lighting. As you saw on the prompt, there was like some soft lighting and so on. So you can change also that aspect. But no, so far it pretty seems good. Like it's a full action figure on the blister package. There is no like super major error besides the two dogs that I just asked for one. But as I said, if I click here, it will just edit the images for me, and hopefully you will just have one dog on it, even though I just actually asked him on the prompt that was 3 items and he gave me 4. But again, that's something that happens. You can just need it to tweak it or edit the prompt. So let's pause again a little bit for a second, and I'll show you the edits of the image. Hopefully it will be better. Again, as I told you, this takes some minutes. Hopefully they will improve speed, but for now it takes some minutes to create the entire images. Okay guys, so as you can see, now it has the changes. He actually made just one dog, which is good. He changed the name for Philippe from Rui to Philippe, which is also one of the edits that I asked him to it. The only thing I need to point out here, as you can see, when I made the edits, I didn't attach the image again. So my face slightly changed from one to the other one. And even the pattern of the shirt, you can see that is not as detailed as the first one. So what I'll probably have to do is just add the image again. So when you see these slightly discrepancies on the image attached, just add the image attached again, and tell them to just follow that image. And because as you can see, the first one is way more, I'll say, more similar to my image than the other one. Here slightly changes on my face, but you understand the logical. You can add it, you can talk to it, and yeah, that's pretty much how you can actually do these super trendy blister package action figures that everybody is talking about. And it's really simple, it's cheap, it takes you a couple of minutes on ChatGPT. And again, you don't need it to do for yourself. You can actually attach an image for a football player, like a celebrity, and he will do it as well, which is really cool. That's something that you see on LinkedIn, Twitter, or whatever platform you are watching these trends now. And yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial on how to create these like blister package toys. I'll let you know the prompt below this video, so just check it out, copy and paste it, and yeah, start using and creating your own action figures on ChatGPT.